So if you have an old Jaguar XK8 or XKR X100 model, and probably the X150 is still the same, you'll notice as you open the door, the window will drop very slightly. See, it goes up, goes down. That's something to do with the cabin pressure. But if you change the battery, this will need resetting. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to simply reset the windows. So I'm just going to do a very quick battery swap because this is charged up, and this one could do with just being put on charge for a little bit because we're in winter time now and the batteries do drain. So I'll just whiz it out. Take this battery out. Well, new old one, recharge one, I should say. Right, good. I'll take you into the car now. So once you swap the battery over, you're going to need to reset the windows so they drop down when you open and go back up. So turn on the ignition, and then what you have to do is put the window all the way down and wait for the click, and then put the window all the way back up, wait for the click. Hopefully it comes out on the video, and then do the same with the other side. Window all the way down, wait for the click, then back up, wait for the click. There you go, and that's all you do. So now when you open the door, the window should drop down. So now you've reset it, the window should go up and down like it did before. So it's dropped, and then back up. So it's pretty simple, very quick procedure. Then obviously you're going to have to reset your radio code. So I've got some news coming out about this car very soon, and yeah, I'll update you later about that. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.